everyone. My name is Uma Shakti. I'm a senior dietitian at Dr. Mohan's Diabetes Specialty Center. So today's topic is how food and nutrition are related to constipation. So food and nutrition play a major role in preventing constipation. Today let's see how few foods are beneficial and few foods are detrimental for the formation of the constipation. Okay, dietary fiber plays a major role in preventing constipation. There are two types of dietary fiber. One is insoluble fiber, another one is soluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not get dissolved in water, whereas soluble fiber gets dissolved in water. Okay, so for example, insoluble fiber, the sources we get it from whole grains, green leafy vegetables, wheat bran, germ, etc., nuts and seeds. Okay, these kinds of insoluble fiber add bulk to the stools. Okay, they are very hard to get digested, so they add more bulk to the roughage of the motion. Okay, so they can easily pass on from the intestine to the anus. Whereas soluble fiber we get it from food sources like oats, fruits, and pulses and legumes. So these soluble fibers form a jelly-like substance which softens the stools, okay, which make it easier for the stool to pass on from the intestines. So recommended dietary fiber per day is 25 to 30 grams. So that we can easily get from our food sources like greens, whole grains, nuts and pulses, and green leafy vegetables. So water is very much essential to make the stools very soft. At least we need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. That is 2 to 3 liters per day will be enough. But if you're not taking enough water, your stool gets harder and it will be very difficult to pass on from the intestines. So it ultimately leads to constipation. So drinking enough water is very much essential. It need not be essentially water. It can be buttermilk or juice or any beverages or water-got vegetables, fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. These kinds of fruits and vegetables can also be taken to prevent constipation. Okay, so the next most important food items are prebiotics and probiotics. So these are very much essential in preventing constipations because they form the important gut microbiome. So what are prebiotics? Prebiotics are basically are whatever the food we eat. Majorly we consume the vegetables, nuts, seeds. Okay, so these provide fiber for the gut microbiota to live. Okay. So this gut microbiota is probiotics and the food we provide that serves as a prebiotic. So the prebiotics are the non-digestible fibers. Okay, the gut microbiota, that is the probiotics that live on this non-digestible fiber and make this fiber very soft, and they ferment the fiber and make it into short chain fatty acids. These short chain fatty acids are namely acetate, butyrate, and propionate. These short chain fatty acids are very much essential to reduce the pH of the intestine, where the bacteria is able to act and soften the stool. So hence it prevents the constipation. Normal Indian foods like yogurt, curd, buttermilk, the porridges, or what we call as payasam, the fermented rice, idli, dosa, dokla. These all contain fermented. These are all fermented food products that contains these prebiotics naturally, which can prevent constipation. And we should not forget to consume the healthy fats. Healthy fats are very much essential in lubricating this intestinal walls. Okay, for example, avocados, nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These will have natural healthy fats that will line the stomach walls, line the intestinal walls, and these are very much essential in lubrication. There are natural foods like figs, dates, kiwi, banana, and chia seeds, flax seeds. These are all natural laxatives that can be taken on a daily basis. And lukewarm water with honey early morning can also prevent constipation. A warm milk during night along with the honey can also prevent constipation. There are certain foods that cause constipation, like for example, bakery items, maida products like paratha, the puris made out of maida, that will cause constipation. Ultra processed and processed food will also lead to constipation. And foods like when you have more meat, mutton, chicken, and if you're not taking fiber along with that, that will also cause constipation. So we must always do some kind of exercise whenever on a daily basis to prevent constipation. It can be of any exercise like jogging, swimming, walking, any kind of physical activity is fine that can prevent constipation. And you need to follow a particular sleep pattern. Okay, at least 7 hours of quality sleep is very much essential to prevent constipation, because inadequate sleep is also one more causes of constipation. And always be careful about your portion sizes, and heavy food at a time, or skipping meals, or fasting or feasting should be avoided. Always follow a balanced diet. Okay, follow a healthy plate. Half the plate should be filled with vegetables and quarter of the plate must be rice, and the rest of the quarter can be nuts, dal, pulses, non-veg. Okay, so always don't forget water along with the plate. And this whole grains, the cereal portions can be whole grains like brown rice or chapati, or whole wheat, rava, or millets. So follow these steps to prevent constipation. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.